Hi, this is Ferela Sonia from anyhousecleaning.com. This is like, what time is it? 4:31 p.m. They call me to do a deep cleaning in the afternoon from this house. I bring the blowers because we are gonna do the carpet cleaning, and they request sanitizing and disinfecting. This is the garage. We won't touch the garage. The situation is this: the owner of the house has a company, and the employees stay in the house. It's like a business house. And Harvey is one of the employees. Is staying at the house, but he had allergy, and he requests the owner of the company to clean the house because it was dusty, because he couldn't breathe good in his room. This is like a vacation home, so we are washing sheets and towels too. Harvey is staying in this room. I already request Stephanie to dust all this room from top to bottom. Clean the blinds, clean the blinds, dust the walls, clean everything. Doors, baseboards, everything. So she used the backpack to dust the blinds and then wipe all the bed features, the bed frame. We're gonna wash the sheets, and when she's done with the room, we're gonna start disinfecting the carpets. The carpet looks in good condition. Some stains, not that hard. We're gonna vacuum really well. So we want to remove all the soil from the carpet, and then we are gonna pre-treat the carpet with betel oxide. Betel oxide is a disinfecting register. We're gonna disinfect and clean really good all the bathrooms, everything from top to bottom. Okay? Dust. I think, I'm not a doctor, but I think that the problem with this house is because it was so close. There wasn't too much movement in this house, and everything that is high, light fixtures like this, vents are dusty, cobwebs, things like that. So we're gonna take our time. I already spoke with the owner. For example, you can see the fine dust stuck from the AC duct. I already spoke with the owner, and I told him that we're gonna take our time. It's already 4:31. She started an hour ago. You can see, let's see, right there, some dust. You cannot see it in my video. Oh, let's see. Do you see the cobwebs? Maybe it's that the dust that Harvey couldn't breathe well. You can see right away the dust on top of the ceiling of this room. Okay, so check the AC filters. Maybe they need to replace it, or just we will clean it inside. Vacuum really good, wash sheets, and then we're gonna do the carpet and also the stairs. The worst thing in this house about carpet is the stairs because of the high traffic. Put away everything, organize a little bit, vacuum, and clean the carpets. Nothing outside. Maybe I will tell the owner that, beautiful. Do you see that? Maybe I will tell the owner that One of these days, he wants to clean from outside the window because it's moldy. Because, right? The blinds dusty. You can see the cobweb here. The hidden dust. Bathroom. Mineral deposit. Nothing horrible. You can see that it's dusty. We can clean that. Sanitize the toilet. Remove the trash bags. I don't know, some glue here. So we want to make the house good so Harvey can sleep here and the owner of the company doesn't have to pay the hotel for him. We are in the master bedroom. We have the yellow cloth clean. Let's see if I can do a zoom. You can see the dust, right? Just for the bottom part, actually the upper part of the. Let's change it. Oh, this one. Yeah, Harvey was right. This house has a lot of dust. So we're gonna clean it really, really well for him and for the rest of the co-workers. I already put the toilet roll cleaning. Before cleaning and sanitizing the toilet, I'm gonna use a cobweb brush. I'll make sure that we don't have any kind of cobwebs in corners. Perfect. Okay, I have my sprayer. I'm going to start spray. This is plastic. Spray all over when it's just ceramic and plastic, but I don't do that when it's wood. Oh, the baseboard, yes. Let it sit. And then clean. Good. Now she's bringing my glove and somebody's calling me. Okay, again in the bathroom, I already put my glove. I'm gonna pour some hot clean. I'm gonna use a sponge and saturate the area where the mineral deposits are. So this product is not acidic, and this is granite, so we can saturate the area and let it sit. Another yellow cloth. And let's see how dusty it is, okay? Remove this. So let's continue. Sonia is removing any kind of cobwebs in the master bedroom. Then she's gonna use the backpack in order to dust the blind. In the meantime, I'm working in this shower. Clothes are washing right now. It's rinsing. Stephanie is working in this bedroom. Open all the doors, dusting everything. Yellow cloth right here. I put my vapor text inside the vent for the AC, so the house is gonna smell better. I'm working little by little. rinsing. Drying time. This is my water, but I'm gonna try. Excelentísimo. Proud. No, there is no light. Come on, baby. Low battery. Oh my god. But it's everything is done. Okay. Okay. No sé si todas tienen funda. ¿Tienen cobertores? This is for the stairs.